It is the next day. It is the next day. Hello. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good night. Good evening. I don't know what time you're seeing this, but hello. Yesterday, we worked on the 240 engine bay. My hands hurt. I had to cut off my fingernails today because my fingernails feel so sore. And they were kind of breaking a little bit from sanding so much. That's bullshit. I'm not even complaining. I'm really happy with the progress that's been made so far. As far as sanding, I'm really crossing my fingers and hoping that we can at least lay on primer today. Because to have done all the sanding and then for it to not get anywhere will suck, because I don't want it to start to rust, because now it's like, not a lot of it, but there's a good portion of it that's bare metal right now. Yeah, I didn't get to have the earliest start today, unfortunately, because I did have to sit and edit a video, and I missed uploading a video yesterday for the first time in 19 days, and I'm really disappointed. I didn't have anything to post, and I didn't have anything that I wanted to film for that day, and I thought that maybe I could film something and post it the same day, film something and post it yesterday, but I couldn't. Also, this is my ponytail for today. Does it not look fabulous? You know what I mean? You're catching my drift. So today, probably more sanding, and hopefully we lay down some primer. I'm gonna take you with me my day today. Yeah, we'll see what happens today. Thanks for hanging with me and being with me today, because emotional support is needed during this time. All right, I'm gonna get started. Ready to sand my life away. I feel like I sanded everything pretty well last night, but looking at it with like the daylight out, and you know, obviously the lights were on last night when I was sanding, but looking at it in the daylight and stuff, you can see some of the places that I missed a little better, so that's nice, but I did a good job. I'm basically almost done. I just gotta do like basically this whole corner right here, and then I'll be finished. I just don't know where to put my fucking feet. They need leverage. Well, the question is, what did I just unhook? I don't want to do this anymore. I'm so tired. So tired. Holy shit. I don't have to my guns. Leaving my foot here so that way I don't lose control of this and then hit my windshield on accident. Oh, and that is how you die. Jesus Christ. What the heck? Wow.
Watch your arm, Dick, because there's a bunch of brake fluid there and that shit burns.
Stinky boy keeps smelling his stink ass. Stink.
Has a nut on it. The thread's on. I just added more nuts to it. To make it longer. I just made it longer like that. I flattened that's pretty sad. And I drilled it all the way.
The bends in this fucking thing? Like a work of art.
Michael ate all my chips, everybody.
And I apologize for it.
And now he's trying to act like everything's all dandy. Now he's having full-blown conversations and they can't hear you. You're whispering over here. Tell me what to write.
EVAP line.
EVAP.
Not the flap your flaps.
I want to make sure that you're not saying evac.
EVAP.
All right, so this is where we ended up today. Much further than we were yesterday. Now that everything is out of the engine bay, we've made such progress. Went in and I spot treated a lot of places that were like really rusty like this. And just went in with these little drills and stuff. And that's my favorite tool. I love that tool. And it came out great. I'm really hoping that Michael can prime the car tonight. That'll be so amazing, but yeah. I think I did a job well done so far. Love you. Good night. Call you tomorrow. Been watching this old early 2000s show, I guess they used to have, about like drifting and drift competitions and all that type of stuff, and it's actually really good.